parts of a speech. Before that, we need to change some pronouns also. There is a chart that you need to be understood. This is subjective case. This is possessive case. A possessive case. A possessive case has a possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. Okay. Reflexive case, and then after objective case. These are some parts that we have to choose. This is subject. Subjective case is I. Its possessive pronoun is mine. Possessive adjective is my, myself, me. This is objective case. We, ours, our, ourselves, us. Now, this is the part of first person. This is the part of first person, and this is the part of second person, that is you. You is in both singular and plural. So this is yours for singular, for plural, and yours for plural. Okay. Now it is you, yourselves, yourself. That is you. Third person, he, she, it, and they. These are the kind of third person that will not change. So this is he, his, himself, him, hers, her, herself, her. This is it. It has no possessive pronoun. It's, itself, it. It is they, theirs, their, themselves, and them. Now, the question arises, what is the need of this chart? Suppose if mine is used in reported speech, then how it will be changed. For example, I am going to take an example. Here is an example. He said to me, you are my friend. You are my friend. Then how we will change it? He told me that you is the second person. Second person will change according to the object of reporting verb. This is in form of objective case. This is objective case, and this is in subjective case. So what will be there? What is the subjective case of me that will be written instead of you? Was now see, it is my. My is in the form of first person. So what will be the possessive adjective of you? First person will change according to subject, and subject is he. What is the possessive adjective of he that we have to use? That I was his friend. Okay. Now the second part to change direct to indirect is change of parts of a speech. Change of parts of a speech in which we will discuss the things. This is direct form. This is indirect form. This will will change into that. These will change into those. Here will change into there. Now will change into they. Today will change into that day. Tomorrow will change into a day after. Yesterday will change into a day before. These are the common things that we have to know while we are changing direct to indirect. Okay? Now, another thing. The third option is the change of tense. The third option is the change of tense. I am going to take two examples. He says to me, I am a student. I say to him, he is a student. He said to me, I am a student. Okay. What is the difference among these three sentences? The difference of reporting verb. One is there in past form. This one is there in future, and this one is there in present. Now, the point is that if the reporting verb is in present or future, then the tense of reported speech will not change. Other thing will change, change of person, parts of the speech, everything will change, but tense will not change. Now, if reporting verb is in past tense, it will change, the tense of reported speech will change as following. For example, this is direct speech and this is indirect speech. If that is in simple present, if reported speech is in simple present, it will change into simple past. Present continuous will change into past continuous. Present perfect will change into past perfect. Present perfect continuous, present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Okay, now coming to simple past. Simple past will change into past perfect. Past continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Now past perfect and past perfect continuous. Will not change. It will be as usual. Now another thing is MR will change into was verb. Was were will change into had been. Did will change into had. Do does will change into did. Now have has will change into had. Shall will change into should. Will change into would. Can का हो जाएगा could. So these are the examples of changing tense. If the reporting verb will be in past tense, then these are the things that we have to change. Just I am going to take an example from simple present. For example, suppose he said to me, I am a student. What will be the changing? He told me that, instead of inverted comma we will use that. I is the first person. It will change according to the subject. This is also in subject and this is also in subject. So there will be he. Is and are will change into was because this is in past tense. He was a student. He was a student. So this is the criteria to change direct to indirect. But another thing that there are some kinds of sentences that will be in reported speech. So one by one we will discuss the kinds of sentences according to their rules and changing patterns. Number one, that is a statement sentence. That is a statement sentence. If reported speech is in a statement sentence, what are the changing that we need to do? That say will change into tell, said will change into told, and says will change into tells. Number one. Number two, we will remove to. Remove to, and number three, we use that instead of inverted commas. For example, Ram said to Sita, you are my best friend. You are my best friend. Then in that case, what we have to change? Ram, according to the rule, we will change said into told. We will have to remove to according to this. Then we will write Sita. Instead of inverted comma, we will use that. And you is the second person. So it will change according to Sita. So without repeating two times, now we will use she was his best friend. She was his best friend. Now another case, there are some exceptional case in which even the reporting verb will be in past, we will not change the tense of reported speech. That is the universal truth. Universal truth. For example, Ram said to me, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. This is the universal truth. It has no negative sentence. It is no interrogative also. That's in that case what we will write. Ram told Sita. Ram told me that. After that we will copy it down. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Okay. So this is criteria to change statement sentence. If the reported speech will be in a statement sentence, then we will do. These are the things. Number 2, interrogative sentence. If the reported speech will be in interrogative sentence, then what we have to do, if that will be in interrogative sentence, what we have to do, first thing we have to change say into ask, says into asked, and said into asked. After that, we remove to as usual in statement sentence. Number 3, we use if or whether instead of inverted comma. If reported speech will begins with helping verb, any helping verb. Other one, for example, he said to me, are you ready? Are you ready? This is interrogative. In that case, what we will write? He asked me. We will use if or whether. Anything you can use. You have the option. If, then we have to change it in affirmative. You will change according to me. That will be I, and R will change into was ready. If he was ready. And another case, that is number 4. If reported speech is in, if reported speech begins with WH word. WH word, you know, what, when, what, where, how, who. In that case, what we will write? We will use same WH word instead of inverted commas. For example, Ram said to Sita, what is your name? What is your name? This is WH word. What? WH word. That is word. So in that case, what we will write? Ram asked Sita. Instead of inverted comma, we will use the same WH word. Word. Now this is the subject. Your name will change into her name. What her name was. So this is the end of interrogative sentence. Number 3 is command sentence. Command sentence is very easy. We will do it. Like this. Command sentence. Number 3 is command sentence. Command sentence. Command sentence. What we will do here? We change say reporting verb. We change reporting verb into either order, request, advice, suggestion, etc. according to the sense of reported speech. Number 2, we remove to. We remove to from the direct speech. Number 3, we use to instead of inverted comma. In case of dawn, we use not before to. Number 5, we remove late, please, kindly, etc. For example, he said to me, stand up. This is order. He ordered me to stand up. Another example, like dawn. He said to me, don't shout in the class. Don't shout in the class. In that case, what we will do is, he warned me not to shout in the class. Not to shout in the class. Thus, in the criteria, we will use not before to in that case. Another example, he said to me, please give me a pen. This is a request. So what we will do? He requested me to, please will be removed. This is verb to give. Me will change according to he. That will be him or pay. Okay. So this is the criteria to change direct to indirect if a sentence, if reported speech will be in command sentence. Number 4 is optative sentence. Optative sentence that deals with place, curse, pretend,